राहुल गांधी मरकज की बीजेपी की पॉलिसियों पर अक्सर हमले करते रहते हैं। वो आरएसएस पर भी निशाना साधते हैं। कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रोग्राम में राहुल गांधी ने एक बार फिर बीजेपी और आरएसएस पर वार किया। एक इंटरव्यू के दौरान राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि कांग्रेस बीजेपी और आरएसएस से नजरियाती लड़ाई लड़ रही है। उन्होंने कहा कि मुल्क आज जैसी सूरत हाल पहले कभी न थी। पोलराइजेशन, दौलत का कुछ हाथों में जमा होना और मीडिया पर कंट्रोल है। उन्होंने मजीद कहा है कि मुल्क के हालात अच्छे नहीं है। बीजेपी ने मुल्क में केरोसिन छिड़क रखा है, बस एक चिंगारी की जरूरत है, सब बड़ी मुश्किल में होंगे।
Polarization and total dominance of media. The RSS has built a structure that has penetrated into the large mass, right? And the opposition parties and the Congress need to build such a structure, and we need to go much more aggressively to the large mass of people, the 60-70% of people who don't vote for the BJP. And we need to do it together. Through the idea, one of the ideas that we stated in Udaipur, which is the idea of mass participation. Look, we are sitting on a powder keg, right? We are sitting on an India that is primed, right? We have massive level of polarization. We have huge unemployment. We have, as I said, the backbone of employment broken, and we have massive concentration of wealth. We are going to have social problems. They're coming, without any doubt. There is going to be a mass upsurge. Now the question is, can the opposition make that upsurge peaceful, effective in changing the politics? You could also have a situation where you have an uncontrolled upsurge, which is what we are seeing in Sri Lanka, right? India is not in a good place. The BJP has spread kerosene all over the country. You need one spark and we'll be in big trouble. And so I think that's also the responsibility of the opposition, the Congress, that bring people together, bring the communities together, bring the states together, bring the religions together and say, listen, we need to cool this temperature down, because if this temperature doesn't cool down,